Hello students, very good morning to everybody. Welcome back to +1 Chemistry. Let us continue with the Unit 1 Basic Concepts of Chemistry and Chemical Calculation. So in this video, we are going to see about empirical formula and molecular formula. Fine. Now, the term molecular formula is very familiar to you right from the earlier classes. But empirical formula is a new terminology you are learning only this year in +1. Right? Now, here we will understand what is exactly the molecular formula and empirical formula and what is the difference between the both by this video. Fine? Now I am going to explain you molecular formula by taking an example of a compound called as acetic acid. So, acetic acid formula is CH3COOH. So, acetic acid is an organic compound which is present in vinegar. So, molecular formula for this compound acetic acid is CH3COOH. So, now let us look how many atoms are present in this compound. So, there are three types of atoms present in this compound. What are they? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Right? Now, how many atoms are present in this? So, these type of atoms, how many number are present in this compound? That is the next question. So, carbon, there are 2 atoms, 1, 2. Okay, so carbon, 2 atoms. Now, hydrogen, here 3 plus 1, 4. So, hydrogen, 4 atoms are there. Now, oxygen, 1, 2. So, oxygen, 2 atoms are present. Okay, now, based on the number of carbon atom, hydrogen atom, and oxygen atom, we can write this formula in another means. Another means in the sense like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So, C2H4O2. So, this molecular formula of acetic acid compound can be written in like C2H4O2 based on the number of atoms present in the compound. And these numbers are always represented as subscript to the atomic symbol. So, these are the atoms present in this compound, acetic acid. Yes, so they are the atomic symbol and the number of atoms is written as the subscripts. Subscript means lower part. Superscript means upper part. Towards the right side, subscript means lower towards the right side. Understanding? Now, this is the molecular formula. Yes, understanding? Now, let us see empirical formula. So, empirical formula is derived from the molecular formula. So, molecular formula, the definition is like this. It is a formula written with actual number of atoms present in 1 mole of the substance as superscript to the atomic symbol. Yes. So, it is a formula written where the actual number of atoms present in the compound, one molecule of the substance as subscript to the atomic symbol. So, that is the molecular formula. Okay. Now, from this molecular formula, let us write the ratio of the atoms. From this molecular formula, let us write the ratio of the atoms. So, carbon is to hydrogen is to oxygen because these are the atoms present in this compound. Okay, so these are the atoms. So, let us write the ratio. So, carbon how many? 2. Hydrogen how many? 4. Oxygen how many? 2. So, this is the ratio. Now, this ratio we make it into the simplest ratio. Yes, we make it into simplest ratio. So, how do we make it into simplest ratio? This ratio we will divide by 2. We will divide by 2. Why we take it as 2? Because 2 is a common number in all these in this ratio. Okay. Yes. This ratio of a carbon atom, hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Okay. So we divide by 2. So it becomes 1:2. 2:1. Got it? Now this is the simplest ratio. Okay. Now based on the simplest ratio, let us rewrite the formula again. Okay. So carbon 1. So carbon. Hydrogen 2. So H2. And oxygen 1. So CH2O. So that is the empirical formula. That is the empirical formula. of the number of different atoms present in one molecule of the substance as subscript to the atomic symbol. Yes. So empirical formula is a formula written in the simplest ratio. So this is the simplest ratio. 1:2:1. So empirical formula is a formula written in the simplest ratio of the number of atoms present in one molecule of the substance as superscript to the atomic symbol. Okay, so what is the empirical formula? Empirical formula for CH3COOH? It is CH2O. Fine. So you understood the difference between molecular formula and empirical formula. Molecular formula is the actual number of different atoms present in the one molecule of the substance, whereas empirical formula is written as a simplest ratio of the number of different atoms present in the substance as the subscript to the atomic symbol. Yes. So hope you understood the difference between empirical formula and molecular formula.